Hello everyone. So in this session, let's see about a new tool that is a Claude AI. So Claude is a next generation AI assistant based on Anthropic research into training helpful, honest and harmless AI systems. Accessible through chat interface and AI API in our developers console. Claude is capable of a wide variety of conversational and text processing tasks while maintaining a high degree of reliability and predictability. Claude can help with use cases including summarization, search, creative and collaborative writing, question answers, coding, and many more. Early customers report that Claude is much less likely to produce harmful outputs, easier to converse with, and more durable. So you can get your desired output with less effort. Claude can also take direction on personality, tone, and behavior. So you can say how Claude is different with ChatGPT. So for that, you need to see that how to use Claude. So for that, I'm going to open the Google. So here you need to type Claude AI and you will get the first link. Here I want to include one more thing that in the previous session we have learned about the Cider tool. So you can see as Cider is installed on my machine and here is the icon of Cider. So you can see if I type Claude AI, so it will show the results for Claude AI. So that's why it is working side by side. Which what you will search, it will provide the result side by side. That's why it's called Cider. So now coming back to the topic that is Claude AI. So you can see here, Claude AI is basically a next generation tool which we have seen. And here you can also see that how Claude AI is better than ChatGPT. So you can see while Claude is free Claude is better than free ChatGPT. So let's discuss. First, you have to click over Claude.ai. So you will get to this window, but to coming to this window, you first need to sign up with your account, sign up with your Gmail account or any account, or I just log in with my Gmail account. So you will get good evening, then your name. That is this time I'm using the SD account, so that's why it is showing SD. So now let's see how Claude will work. So I'm going to uh, paste a picture over here, which is a dashboard image. Just copy that particular image and I have pasted it. And also I am pasted the question which I want to ask from Claude. So I'm just pasted it. So I have just written, you are an expert in data analysis and reading dashboards and visualizations. Go through the dashboard image above and give me 5 actionable insights. Also teach me how to read this dashboard like 5 years old. Okay, so after this I'm going to just enter this and let's see what results. So you can see over here it is explaining the insights from the image, the complete total assets, the total liabilities, indicating the strong equity position, and other parts also, that is equity ratio, the up to equity ratio, the chart shows, and the bar chart also is it is explaining. And the another question which I have asked, that explain this dashboard as a 5 years old. So see how it explains, that shows the numbers and pictures that help us understand how much money the company has and how it is using that money. Same way, like explaining the big circle. So a 5 year can understand a big circle. Line graph. So you can see how it is explaining the problem. Also at the last it will say, let me know if you have any other questions. So regarding this, if you are having any other questions, you just need to write the content and again you will get the solution. So I am going to explain you the second example. For that I am taking another image and just copying that image and paste it over here. And this time I'm just going to write kindly explain the diagram. So let's see how it will reply. See, it's saying the diagram. I have just pasted this particular diagram, and it is the showing the internal structure of a cell, and the main components are explaining by this way. So you can see how easily it is reading an image and providing the results as you want. Now another example I'm going to take, and I'm going to paste an image, and this time I'm not going to write anything, just pasting the image and just press the enter. So you can see this particular image, it will explain this image by, you can see this is the image. So in this image many things are there, the timings, taxi zone, many things are there. So you can see how it is explaining is the image shows a street sign with various parking regulations and restrictions, loading zone, taxi zone, 4P parking, no parking. So it is explaining picture in a very easy and beautiful manner. So through Claude, you can work with Claude in a easy way. You can ask about pictures and also for text also. But for asking the right answer, you need to write the correct question also.